Oh yeah!
Risky in real life.
On this side is the new fence, this side the old fence that I helped my grandpa put up probably, what, 20 years ago? We're gonna knock it down ourselves. Not so bad. It's harder work than you would think. So you're just sharpening it up right now?
Yeah, I gotta get the edges in.
Get that bottom. No, stop. Well, unless you want to knock over this hose thing.
Faucet.
Oh, the faucet, sir.
I just really want to bust through this and go, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
Yes, if you don't tie your load, you deserve everything you get. Like a ticket or wood on the road.
It is crazy tearing down a fence that I built with my grandpa. Rest in peace. It makes me feel really old. Circle of life, I guess. That's what I do, bro. If you ever do YouTube like I do, one thing you'll run into a lot of times is people who like hate filmmakers, hate cameras, hate videographers, but then they go home and sit in front of their TV all day, so it doesn't quite make sense. So if it feels like there's a little animosity, it's because Lyle back here doesn't like me being a filmmaker, doesn't like me YouTubing it. He's like, I ain't doing twice the work. It don't make you do twice anything. Anyway, so I just told him to stay on his side, I'll stay on mine. I'm working on it.
Oh, you still doing that?
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel now called Risky in Real Life.
I fucking thought that was the best. That helicopter landed right there.
Yeah.
Cool as hell.
Oh, you were here when we landed the helicopter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there watching out the window. Best flight in the world.
No. Whew. Whew. Ooh.
What'd you do?
I don't know. Oh.
Where's it hurt?
I'm fine. I just passed out almost.
Yeah, you're chilled. Just relax. Don't worry about it. Just fuck working the rest of the day.
No, I'm okay.
No, you're not okay.
Oh, oh, damn, I don't know what's
Sit up
happening.
against a tree and just forget about it for a while. Just get your shit.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
It could have to do with your heart, dude, and I don't want you having a heart attack. I have to die before you, so keep that in your fucking brain, okay?
Oh damn, I almost just fainted for some reason. I'm not even doing that hard of work. You know, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. That was extremely scary. I don't know what happened. I feel like I couldn't breathe, and then like I was trying to stand up and couldn't push up to stand up. Really weak. I almost passed out, and I was fighting against passing out. I never want to go through that again. That was a wake-up call. It really was. I need to get healthy.
You got to hack this one. Be patient, be patient.
Well, if you think about it, if I get hurt and I go to the hospital, I'll be patient.
Risky in real life.